So let's get started. Today I'm going to be making a grilled ginger garlic chicken in one pot. We're going to use some olive oil, garlic paste, ginger paste, salt, dry mixed herbs, lemon drops, and a bit of chili flakes to give it a kick. We're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and we'll be back once it's ready. So now let's get cooking. So first, to open up the lid, you have to hold the handle firmly while pushing down on the red lid release button. Once it's turned on, we're going to press the saute button and wait for 30 seconds for the inner cooking pot to get heated up. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces in. I'm gonna add a bit more salt and pepper. So let's close the lid and lock it back into place by twisting. So now we can unlock it and flip the chicken over and do the same thing again to cook the other side. Here is this delicious grilled chicken.